welcome back to Spelling Adventure with Miss Fee. Hi guys, welcome back to Spelling Adventure. Let's get into our new words. This is a kid. Tap the letter on the screen if you know which one is missing in kid. If you picked the letter D, clap it up. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're right. Let's spell kid together. K-I-D. Kid. This word is bin. Tap the letter on the screen if you know which one is missing in bin. This is a recycle bin. If you picked the letter I, you're right. Now let's spell bin together. B-I-N. Bin. This word is him. Tap the letter on the screen if you know which one is missing in him. If you tapped the letter H, you're right. Now let's spell him together. H-I-M. Him. This is a dot. Which letter is missing in dot? Dot. Can you guess? If you picked the letter T, you're right. T is missing in dot. Now let's spell dot together. D-O-T. Dot. Pop. Some people call this soda pop. What letter is missing in pop? Did you pick the letter O? You're smart. O is missing in pop. Now let's spell pop together. P-O-P. Pop. This is vet. Some people take their pets to the vet. What letter is missing in vet? Vet. Did you pick the letter T? Give yourself a pat. You're right. T is missing in vet. Now let's spell vet together. V-E-T. Vet. Pet. What letter is missing in pet? Pet. Did you hear the P sound? P is missing in pet. If you pick the letter P, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's spell pet together. P-E-T. Pet. Next up, we have hen. Hen. What letter is missing in hen? Did you pick the letter H? Good job, guys. H is the missing letter in hen. Now, let's spell hen together. H-E-N. Hen. Last but not least is art. Art. What letter is missing in art? Did you pick the letter A? A is the missing letter in art. Now, let's spell art together. A-R-T. Art. You guys did amazing at Spelling Adventure. I want to give a little shout out to my friends in the UK, I see you, and Brazil. Thanks for watching, guys.